Hello, welcome back to Mandate 2026, and it is a masala mandate that we are bringing to you. Jhalmudi featuring prominently in these elections, and along with Shreya and Meghna, it is going to be Jhalmudi time now. Shreya, it is Jhalmudi, but is it a little bit more mirchi this time around than the previous time? I think that healthy serving of green chilies needs to be added here. भाई साहब, इसमें मिर्ची डाली है नहीं डाली आपने?
Only one person.
बहुत लोगों को मिर्ची चाहिए होगी आजकल.
No. I'll tell you. I'll give you the context. For our editors' roundtable, we were making predictions. All right, Meghna, about who was winning. And Madhav, me and Zaka were fairly certain that Didi will have a tough time, but she'll win at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And only Pranesh said that the BJP will take it. So the three of us have got it completely wrong, and Madhav now wants to say कि सबसे ज़्यादा मिर्ची मुझको लग रही है, which is not true. सबसे ज़्यादा मिर्ची.
Madhav got scared.
I just said
the mirchi, the green this time is
I only said some people. All I said is that कुछ लोगों को मिर्ची ज़्यादा चाहिए होगी. That's all I said.
सबसे ज़्यादा मिर्ची अभी ममता बनर्जी को लग रही है.
Okay. Now that's perhaps the safer way to do it. Now that we are here in the studio, लेकिन भैया थोड़ा सा झालमुड़ी इनको दीजिए. I think we're all going to walk out with a plate of jhalmudi. I believe Swati is also here. Swati, extra mirchi for you or less mirchi for you in this election?
Jhal in the statements coming in from the TMC leaders, this is nothing compared to that jhal.
That jhal. That sting of the mirchi that is being felt, and we're all going to get our own little plates of...
Chatpata masala has been the EVM bahana and the chori bahanas which are already coming in. Huh?
I would have said it's a day 3 out of 5 for the BJP. It's a day to pop the bubbly. लेकिन वो bubbly तो होगा नहीं BJP में, तो हम झालमुड़ी खा के ही खुश हो जाएंगे.
It is popped rice, if that helps. Puffed rice.
Puffed rice.
Yeah. And you know, the question that many would have is that it's Vijay's day. So there should have been ideally an idli or a dosa stall or a vada stall here as well, you know, to celebrate that kind of victory as far as Vijay is concerned. But before we dive right into...
For now, maybe a dialogue.
Yes.
For now, maybe a dialogue, if you can remember. For Vijay,
thank you very much. I'm not, I have to confess, I'm not a Vijay fan at all. I think the closest I've been to seeing his movies is the trailers and the number of debates that he's done. But what will be very interesting to see is who will Vijay ally with? Is he going to go with the single parties who are otherwise the allies of the Congress and the BJP? Is he going to get support of either the Congress or the BJP? And also, let's remember, there is a certain case for which he's been called to Delhi twice.
But everybody's
what happens to that case will be interesting.
You know, interesting that everybody's lining up to offer support.
Exactly.
At the moment.
From the left to the VCK to the other single party allies. And remember, Vijay is the one who asked them to ally with him before the election. Before the election, nobody went along. Now, after the election, what happens? Let's discuss over this place.
Have a good show, guys. Have a good show. Bye.